Hey guys, this is Tamela, and I want to welcome you back again to another exciting episode of Designing with Hope on Design. Now, are you looking for a color to refresh your bedroom for this spring season? Well, look no further than the color blush. It is that barely there color that can add just a pop of that spring touch and feel to your bedroom. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to refresh your bedroom using the color blush through your decorative accessories. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First, I want to talk about the bed, and that's because pillows are the easiest way to refresh a space with color. That is why it is so important to have a neutral bed frame and bedding. This tufted soft gray headboard and the cream color bedding serve as a perfect background for the pillows in a soft ivory color, blush, and also the soft gray and tan pattern pillow. Now next on the nightstand, the blush color was added in the decorative accents by way of the single flower in the glass vase, a book, and as well as the glass lamp in the blush color. And as with any interior decorating project, you know that you are to circulate the color around the space, so the blush color was also added to the seating area by way of the decorative throw that's draped over the chair, and you can see a little hint of that blush color in the reading book sitting on the table beside the chair. And last but not least, to completely balance out the blush color throughout the space, added above the chest of drawers were two pieces of art with just a hint of the blush color in the art, as well as adding in a bouquet of blush flowers. And just to add a quick designer tip, rose gold is a perfect complementary color to blush. You can notice the hint of the placement of the rose gold vase in front of the wall art. So now, if you have been on the fence about adding the color blush to your bedroom decor, hopefully I have shown in this video how blush can be very versatile in the bedroom and not be too girly-girly. And if you found this video to be useful, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to get more tips on design and decorating, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And once again, thanks for watching Designing with Hope on Design. Designing for the home, body, and soul. Bye for now.